What's up, English learners? It's Gus Activa, and today I want to know if you guys can answer these 50 questions. But before that, remember to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's go. Question number 1. What is your name? Question number 2. How old are you? Question number 3. Where are you from? Question number 4. Where do you live now? Question number 5. Do you work or do you go to school? Question number 6. What time do you wake up? Question number 7. What do you usually eat for breakfast? Question number 8. Who do you live with? Question number 9. What is your favorite color? Question number 10. What is your favorite food? Question number 11. What time do you go to bed? Question number 12. What do you do after work or school? Question number 13. How do you get to work or school? Question number 14. What do you like to do on the weekends? Question number 15. What app do you use the most? Question number 16. How often do you exercise? Question number 17. What time did you eat today? Question number 18. What are you doing right now? Question number 19. Who did you talk to today? Question number 20. What did you watch last night? Question number 21. What did you do yesterday? Question number 22. Where did you go last weekend? Question number 23. What was the last movie you watched? Question number 24. What was the last thing that you bought? Question number 25. Who was your best friend growing up? Question number 26. What was your favorite class in school? Question number 27. What was your first job? Question number 28. What did you eat for dinner yesterday? Question number 29. What time did you wake up yesterday morning? Question number 30. What did you do this morning? Question number 31. What are you doing later today? Question number 32. What are you doing tomorrow? Question number 33. Where will you go on your next vacation? Question number 34. What do you want to learn this year? Question number 35. What will you do this weekend? Question number 36. Where do you want to live in the future? Question number 37. What job do you want in the future? Question number 38. What will you do after this video? Question number 39. What is your favorite restaurant? Question number 40. Who will you talk to later today? Question number 41. Do you prefer coffee or tea? Question number 42. Do you prefer the beach or the mountains? Question number 43. Are you a morning person or are you a night person? Question number 44. What makes you happy? Question number 45. What makes you stressed? Question number 46. What is your biggest goal right now? Question number 47. Who do you admire? Question number 48. What is your favorite English word? Question number 49. What country do you want to visit? Question number 50. Why are you learning English? Alright guys, that was 50 questions. I hope you were able to answer them all. If not, that's okay. At least you tried. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.